Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate from Etsy to Shopify.
If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there.
All right, so first up, go ahead over to your Etsy account at etsy.com. And then once done, make sure that you have the Shop Manager tab right here at the very top. So just click on it. And then once done, go ahead and find the settings section. Just click on Options. Then go ahead and click on the Download tab and make sure to download the CSV, okay, under the Currently for Sale listing section. And after that, if you want to, you can go ahead and keep the customer records as well. So just go ahead and basically download the CSV. And once you have it downloaded, go ahead and go back to your Shopify website. Okay, now go ahead and click on the left panel. We have here Products. And then all you got to do is just click on Import. Okay. Now go ahead and select Import data from another platform. Hit on Next. Choose your platform. Got to find Etsy at the very top. Then you'll have to install the recommended app right here, which is Store Migration. Click on Install. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go and click on Browse Files. And then select the CSV file. Click on it, click on Open, and once done, just basically follow the simple prompts. And that's how easy it is to migrate from Etsy to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.